In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use HubSpot products. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get you started effectively. To begin, head over to the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide. This is where you'll initiate your journey with HubSpot's array of powerful tools. You can find the trial guide by navigating to the link specifically designated for this purpose in your browser. Once you're in the trial guide, you're right at the doorstep of optimizing your sales processes with HubSpot. Next, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the Commerce section. This area is pivotal for managing various sales-related activities. By clicking on Commerce, you'll open up a host of options revolving around transactions and product management, offering a streamlined way to handle your business operations. The following step involves clicking on Products. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage the items and services you offer. Selecting products will present you with an opportunity to review and adjust the details of your offerings to ensure they align with your business strategy. After you've accessed the Products page, your next action is to click on Create Product. This step is where you bring new additions to your lineup. When you select Create Product, you'll be prompted to input specific details about the items you're adding. Filling in the right information here is vital, so take your time to ensure accuracy. The subsequent step is to click on Highlight. The Highlight feature is great for identifying products that deserve special attention within your catalog. Use this feature to differentiate your flagship or promotional items, making them stand out to your customers and sales team. Moving on, you'll want to click on Name. Naming your products correctly within HubSpot is essential for internal tracking and external communications. Ensure the names you choose are clear, descriptive, and align with the branding and messaging of your business. Continuing your setup, click on SKU. The Stock Keeping Unit, or SKU, is essential for tracking inventory and sales data. This unique identifier helps maintain consistency and accuracy in your inventory management, so make sure each SKU you create is distinctive and well documented. You will now proceed by clicking on Description. A well-crafted product description plays a critical role in conveying the value and features of your offering. It should be engaging and informative, providing potential customers with all the information they might need to make a buying decision. Lastly, click on Billing Frequency. This step is essential for setting expectations around how often customers will be charged for the products or services they purchase. Choose a billing frequency that aligns with your business model, whether it's one-time, monthly, quarterly, or annually, to ensure seamless transactions and customer satisfaction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll effectively set up and manage your products within the HubSpot platform, empowering your team to sell smarter and more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and guides.